In this video, we are going to see an amazing use case of Nano Banana, and that is using it for the interior designing. Yes, you heard me right. What you can do is just take the picture of the blank space or an empty space and just define what furniture do you want to put in that scene. So here I have a real picture of the TV lounge, and then I just headed to Canva and just selected some of the furnitures that I like. So for example, the center table, this sofa, this lamp. I just literally went to Canva, just added a blank page, and you can add whatever you want just by going to the elements and adding this in the main picture. So the benefit of this multi-image creation is you put the sample in a single page for everything, and then you don't have to define it separately. What you can do is just ask to arrange this furniture in the living room. You can see the sample for yourself. This is the image. We can get some more examples here. And this is the empty TV lounge. Arrange this furniture in the living room, and that's it. Look at this. How perfectly it has created that furniture, placed it in the lounge in the perfect settings. Let's say that we want to add some decoration pieces as well. So with this particular image, let's add table decorations. Let's say this is painting and a chair. Let's search for a vase. Let's add that. Or let's actually add a plant. So let's say we like this one. Just make sure that it is not cut it from any corner. You can make it smaller if you want to. And let's use this image. We are just taking random images just for the sake of example, so that we can try putting all of this in one frame. So our image is ready. Let's head over to Gemini, start a new chat, and let's upload this. One picture will be of an empty lounge and one with all of this. So I just wrote a random prompt, whatever come to my mind. Arrange all of this in this empty TV lounge perfectly. Let's see the results. And look at this, guys. It has put most of the things perfectly, but the painting should be there. Place the painting on the wall. And the second sample looks much better than the earlier one. Let's also use the sample in LM Arena because we get multiple results from here. Select the blank TV lounge. And I just asked to arrange everything perfectly in this TV lounge. Let's see the results. So hopefully it will be better than the earlier one. And in the first one, it has completely changed the picture and the scene. So it's not nice. The second one looks quite nice. It has also placed a book on the table. So that's very nice. Plant is perfectly placed here. Wall picture, it has increased it in size. Lamp is perfectly put. And in the original picture, we didn't have any rug. So if you notice, it has put a rug as well. And that's very nice that it automatically identifies the missing pieces in the picture as well. And then auto completes it. So not only that, you can change the fabric of any furniture. So let's say I like this fabric. What we'll do is just insert a new picture, set the image as background, and let's download this. You can also get any sample, let's say from Pixels as well. Sofa fabric. And we didn't get any proper results. So let's use this fabric as an example. You can even take real pictures, what you have taken from your camera, as a reference image. And let's upload this in a new chat. So this is my picture, although it looks good, but I want the sofa in this specific fabric. And I just uploaded the sample of the fabric and the picture where the sofa is displayed. And I just asked to replace the fabric of the sofa with the sample provided. Let's see the results. I'm using LM Arena. You can try Gemini as well. And look at this, guys. It has provided us two samples so that we can get a better idea on how this fabric will look on the sofa. Let's try the Gemini result as well. And this time let's upload this image where the sofa looks bigger. We will copy the same prompt, paste it here and hit enter. And just look at this, guys. It has perfectly carved the sofa in this particular texture. Now you might see something different, and that's because this picture is a very close shot of the fabric. That's why it's unable to identify that. But let's just say that this is the real picture that we have taken and we want to use this one as a reference. So we want to see how the sofa will look in this particular color. So what we can do is just click on edit and just take this picture and save it, save as copy, click yes. And now we can use this as a reference image. And we just ask replace the ticked fabric or replace the fabric of the sofa with the sample provided, with the ticked sample provided. And let's see if we are able to get perfect results. And the first image looks quite good, but the second image, it has messed it all up. Let's also try Gemini directly. Let's paste the same prompt, hit enter. So this is how it looks, but it is not perfectly placed. The fabrics is different, but the picture it has created looks completely different. So we can use this picture as a reference. Left is better, and we can even download this. Now let's re-upload this image, and let's say that I want to change this daytime to nighttime. So I simply wrote here, change the time of the day to nighttime. Let's see the results. And you will notice that how perfectly it has changed this daytime to a nighttime without changing anything at all, just changing the view from the daytime to nighttime, and how perfectly it has observed the forest or any kind of mountains view in the background. So this is another thing that you can do with Nano Banana. Also, let's change the flooring. Let's say that I want to get a new floor, but before applying this to my premises, I want to test different floors. So let's say tiles, and let's say this is the tiles that I like. So let me just download this as a reference image. Let's upload the image again. You can even copy and paste the same image. You don't need to change this every single time, but just to show you from scratch, I'm doing this. And just write change the flooring or replace flooring. Let's see if it is able to generate natural results or not. So although in the first picture it has perfectly replaced the floor, but it has replaced the walls as well. In the second one, we have a totally different design. Let's try this in Gemini directly. And this time I have clearly defined replace the flooring in the lounge with the reference image. And this time it has done an amazing job. As you can see, it has perfectly replaced the flooring. Now let's say that we want to replace the flooring from a picture. So in this case, what we can do is we can open this picture, click on edit, and just write here something like for tiles, and let's save it. We can even replace it, and let's upload both of the image. Replace the flooring of the lounge with the reference for tiles. Just make sure that you mention the name that you have written on the top of this picture. So I just said replace the flooring of the lounge with the reference image for tiles. And here it is clearly written for tiles, but it has not done a perfect job. What it has done, it has combined both of the pictures. Let's try it one more time. This time we will use this image first and this image second. And I just simply defined replace the first image flooring with the second image flooring. You can even add keep everything else as it is or something like that. And this time it has done a better job, but still this style is, I think it's not the same. But even then it has done a pretty good job and we got a complete new picture. As you can see, it was wooden flooring and we have replaced it with tiles. You can even see the reflection of the windows. So that's the perfection we get from Nano Banana. Similarly, you can replace any kind of lights, add chandeliers, you can add LCD here by just adding reference images or multiple images, and you get these kind of results with it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.